In today's video, I'm going to show you how to overlay pictures in Pixlr step by step, so you can blend images together, create cool photo effects, and make your edits look more polished in just a few minutes. This is a simple method, whether you're using Pixlr X for a quick and easy workflow, or Pixlr E for a more advanced editing setup. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to pixlr.com. Once the site loads, you'll see the option to choose between Pixlr X and Pixlr E. If you want a faster, beginner-friendly experience, go with Pixlr X. If you want more control and more advanced editing tools, choose Pixlr E. Either version will work for this tutorial, so pick the one that feels right for you. Now you need to load your base image. This is the main background photo that everything else will sit on top of. Click Open Image, then browse your computer and select the picture you want to use as your starting point. Pixlr will open that image inside the editor, and this will become the foundation for your overlay. Next, it's time to add your second picture as an overlay layer. At the top of the screen, click Layer in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, choose Add Image as Layer. This is the key step that lets you place one picture on top of another without replacing the original background. After that, select the secondary image you want to overlay. Pixlr will place it above your base image as its own separate layer. Once the overlay image appears, you can start positioning it. Use the Arrange tool, which is usually the V key shortcut, and then click and drag the image to move it where you want it. If you need to make it bigger or smaller, drag the corners to resize it. Try to line it up in a way that makes sense for your design, whether you want it centered, off to the side, or covering a specific part of the background. Because it's a separate layer, you can adjust it freely without affecting the base image. Now let's make the overlay look more natural. Look over to the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. You should see both your background image and your new overlay image listed there. Find the top image layer, then click the three dots icon next to it to open its settings. In this menu, you'll see options that control how the layer looks and blends with the image underneath it. One of the easiest ways to create a nice overlay effect is to lower the opacity bar down to make the top image more translucent. This allows both images to show through each other, which is great if you want a soft blend instead of a hard cutout look. You can keep adjusting the opacity until it feels balanced and visually clean. If you want even more creative control, change the blend mode. In the drop-down menu, try options like Overlay, Multiply, or Screen. Each blend mode creates a different effect. Overlay is great for adding contrast and texture. Multiply works well when you want darker elements to mix into the background. Screen is useful when you want to brighten the image and create a lighter composite look. The best blend mode depends on the style you're going for, so feel free to test a few until you find the one that looks best. At this point, you can keep fine-tuning the position, size, opacity, and blend mode until your images work together the way you want. That's the real power of layering in Pixlr. You're not just placing one image on top of another, you're combining them into a single, polished design. This is perfect for thumbnails, social media graphics, edits, posters, banners, and all kinds of creative projects. Once you're happy with the result, you can save or export your final image from Pixlr and use it wherever you need it. And that's how to overlay pictures in Pixlr the easy way. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.